I'm Jackie Ordner. I'm a registered nurse and international board certified lactation consultant, and I can't wait to tell you about the Motif Aura Glow. This new wearable pump offering is a game changer. So Motif Aura Glow comes with some options that other wearables just don't give you, and let me break it down for you. So the thing I'm probably most excited about with this pump is that you get 5 sizing options right out of the box. So the breast shield, it's really soft silicone. It molds to the breast tissue easily. You can get a good, comfortable fit more easily with this type of material. And that's a 24 millimeter. But it also comes with 15, 17, 19, and 21 millimeter inserts that fit in that 24 millimeter breast shield so that you have a great chance of getting a perfect fit right out of the box. It comes with a nipple measurement tool. It's got the instructions. It's got a ruler on one side. It's got the cutouts on the other side, so you can measure your nipples and try one of those sizing inserts to get the right size and get a comfortable, effective pumping session right out of the box. So I love that. Wearables are kind of notorious for being a little bit difficult to get the right inward pressure, get it situated and secure in your bra, but you get 2 bra strap adjusters in the box with this pump also, which is amazing. So they clip onto your nursing bra straps and make it easy for you to have enough room for the Aura Glow to fit in your bra comfortably, and to make sure that you can, adjust that bra strap to get just the right tightness so that it's not shifting and you can get a better pumping session that way. The other thing that's really exciting about Motif Aura Glow is that it has 2 pre-programmed pump sessions or pumping modes. So the first one is called General Pumping Mode, and it's going to walk you through, you just push the button and it's going to take you through massage mode, and then it's going to switch over to expression mode, and then halfway through that pumping session, it's going to repeat. It's going to go back to massage mode so you can get a second letdown and finish in expression mode. It does it all for you. It helps your pumping session be more efficient, and you don't have to remember to go back to massage mode to get that second letdown. The other pre-programmed mode is called cluster feeding mode, and it's just what it sounds like. So when a baby cluster feeds, they go back to the breast frequently with really short breaks in between, and it's usually in an effort to increase mom's milk supply to match maybe a growth spurt or just to get that milk moving a little bit more. And you can do that with Motif Aura Glow by selecting the cluster feeding pumping mode, and it will pump and then pause and pump and pause across a 30-minute span. So you're getting that little mini cluster feeding session without ever doing anything but selecting the mode. It does it all for you. This is kind of like a power pumping session, but on a mini scale, so you can fit it into 30 minutes. So with power pumping, you have to pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10, pump for 10, rest for 10, pump for 10. So it takes an hour. But the cluster feeding mode on Motif Aura Glow does that for you in a little mini version in a 30-minute pumping session. So I love, love, love that about this pump. The other thing is, you should know it's called Motif Aura Glow because it has a built-in nightlight. So the containers hold 6 ounces each, and if you're pumping in the middle of the night, you can just push the nightlight button and it glows. It shows just how much milk you're getting. So even in the middle of the night, you can just turn that nightlight on and take a glance and see where your pumping volume is, which makes this super convenient for those middle of the night pumps. I think you're gonna love Motif Aura Glow. It's got a powerful motor. It's set up with great materials to be nice and comfortable. It's lightweight, it's discreet. I think this will fit into a pumping regimen as a complement to something like your Motif Luna, or anytime you need to be on the go or you need to be hands-free for pumping. This is a fabulous option.